Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download YouTube videos. So we're going to start by launching up an internet browser and then just heading over to youtube.com. Now I'll start by showing you how you can download your own videos, and to do this we just need to come over to our profile icon in the top right here, come over to YouTube Studio. In the left hand side select content, and now you'll see a list of your videos inside of here, and to download a video all we simply need to do is come over to these three little dots here and then select download. And as you can see, that video is now successfully been downloaded to my PC. But what about if you wanted to download other people's videos? Well, to do that, all we simply need to do is head back over to the YouTube homepage, click on the video that you want to download. For this example, I'll just click this video here, and then we need to scroll down slightly and you'll see these three little dots next to the video. And from here, we can just press download. So we'll have two options inside of here to download this in 720p or just standard 480p. And in order to use this feature, you will need YouTube Premium. So if you don't already have YouTube Premium, then you can just try it for free down here. And as well as being able to download videos, there'll be a bunch of other benefits that come with it. So I'm just going to select try this for free at the bottom. And now my video will be downloaded and I'll be able to view this later. And that's it guys, that's how you download YouTube videos. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.